In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to transfer WhatsApp business chats to a new phone. We're going to move your WhatsApp business conversations from your old phone to your new one using WhatsApp's built-in device-to-device transfer. This keeps your data private and usually completes much faster than a cloud restore. Keep both phones nearby, charged, and with Wi-Fi turned on throughout the process. Start on your old phone, open WhatsApp Business, and tap the three dots in the top right to open settings. Go to Chats, then Transfer Chats, and tap Start. This prepares your old phone to hand off your chat history directly to the new device over a secure local connection. If you're asked for location or Wi Fi permissions, allow them. WhatsApp uses these to establish a reliable link between the phones. Your old phone will then switch to a camera view and wait for a QR code. Now pick up your new phone, download and open WhatsApp, choose your language, accept the terms, and verify the exact same phone number that's active on your old phone. Make sure you enter the number currently registered in WhatsApp Business. This is how WhatsApp confirms the account belongs to you. Complete the SMS or call verification as prompted. After verification, you'll see a screen that says Restore or Transfer Chats. Select Transfer from Old Phone and tap Start. If your device asks for permission to find and connect to nearby Wi-Fi devices, grant it. This is required for the direct transfer. A QR code will appear on your new phone's screen. Return to your old phone and use that camera screen to scan the QR code shown on the new phone. This pairs the two devices securely. On the new phone, accept the connection invitation. From here, keep both devices unlocked and leave WhatsApp open on the screen. You'll see a percentage bar tracking the transfer. Don't switch apps, lock the screens, or move too far apart while it runs. The speed will depend on how many chats, photos, videos, and documents you have. For large histories, it's a good idea to keep both phones plugged into power. Once the progress bar reaches 100%, your chats will appear on the new phone. Give it a moment to finish organizing media and search indexing in the background. You can now continue your conversations in WhatsApp Business on the new device. The old phone may sign out automatically, which is expected when the number moves. If the transfer stalls, make sure Wi-Fi is enabled on both phones, keep them close together, and retry the QR scan to reestablish the connection. That's it. Your WhatsApp business chat history is now safely on your new phone.